फ्रेंड सो टुडे हम लोग iOS में स्विफ्ट एंड स्टोरी बोर्ड यूज़ करके लिस्ट व्यू बनाएंगे। सो बेसिकली टेबल व्यू कैसे बनाएंगे वो हम देखेंगे। सो पहले हम एक न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं। यहाँ पे लिस्ट डेमो और यहाँ पे हम स्टोरी बोर्ड लिए हैं। लैंग्वेज हमारा स्विफ्ट है, इसकी हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है तो हम सेलेक्ट कर देंगे। नाउ नेक्स्ट करेंगे एंड आप इसको सेव करेंगे। तो अभी हम जस्ट इसको रन करके देख लेते हैं। ओके, so now everything is okay. So we will do first storyboard part. So how we will do is just we will drag, we will select UI table view अब हम इसको कंस्टेंट लगा देंगे। तो 20 let's say 10 20। अभी हमारा लेफ्ट साइड का कंस्टेंट थोड़ा ट्रेलिंग कंस्टेंट बनाएंगे। Okay, now we will add cell, table view cell, and we will give a label. A label I have given 4 0 0 and I take another label. So I will give a constant to this, leading, trailing, and then vertical spacing. So it's giving warning, so fix the frame. So I did it. Now I will now from the controller side I will outlet with list view UITableView. Now then I need to implement TableView data source and then TableView delegate. Data source. So a number of section in table view. I will return 1. Number of row, return, let's say 10, and then cell for row. So now we don't have cell class, so first we will create a cell class for this list view, UITableViewCell class. So UITableViewCell. Not cell view. Okay. Now here I will create outlet big add and info level. Now I will assign this cell class to my TableViewCell. So this is my TableView class, and I will give the identifier as the same. All right. Now I will bind my table view with the outlet. So on the list view, and I will assign the data source and delegate to the view controller. The same things I need to do it, I need to do it here as well. For my table view cell, this is info level, this is title level. All right. So now I will go on the view controller, that cell is equal to table view tq so it's a name of this. We have given the identifier. Okay, and now return cell, and then I need to convert this as not view cell, then cell dot title label dot text is equal to note demo note one, then info label last dated just for like information, I just added it. Now let's run it. All right, so if you can see only the node, a demo node, only the title is coming of our, the info level is not visible here. So what we will do, hide for row, return, let's say 60. So now it's visible, make it 70. So this is the way like to give the height, is right now we are giving the fixed height, but this height could be the dynamic once you apply the bottom constraint of the info label, and then you need to just return here UITableView auto dimension. So in that case it will return the height according to the content of the table view. All right, so similarly, like you, instead of like we are just we are just returning the fixed 10 row, so instead of that you can create your model class and as object, let's say nodes model, struct node, you can take where node title string node and instead of that is you can take a array here to be storing your node list. And instead of that you can just return here count. So if you run it, you will not see any data because we just created the model class and then we created a list, empty list, and then binding it. So that's why it's not visible on the screen. But we need to first create a list, node list, and then you will bind with the table, then all will be visible here. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.